Let's go ahead and see if someone is secretly tapping your phone. There's two different things to check. The first one is inside your phone app. So go ahead and open that. Go to the keypad where you can dial in a number, and we're going to dial in a special code. It is star, hashtag or pound sign, 21, hashtag again, and then the phone button. Now you're going to see something you might not expect. It says please wait, and there's an icon showing it's doing something. Here it shows some pretty secret settings on your phone and what they're set to. I'm just going to read them to you. The first one is voice call forwarding on all calls, disabled. Data call forwarding on all calls, disabled. Fax call forwarding, disabled. SMS call forwarding, disabled. Sync data circuit call forwarding, disabled. Asynchronous data circuit call forwarding, disabled. Packet access call forwarding, disabled. PAT access call forwarding, disabled. And that's all of them. In my case, they're all disabled, which is what you want. It means that nobody is tapping my calls, no government's listening to my conversations, as far as the iPhone knows, but you never know what kind of tech they have these days. If any of these are set as enabled, you probably want to turn them off. And here's what you do. First, make note, it says here setting interrogation succeeded at the top for all of them. And then it shows what the interrogation succeeded on right below each one. Tap on dismiss. Now type in pound or hashtag 21, and then pound or hashtag again, and then phone. And now the language changes to say setting erasure succeeded is at the top of each one now. So whatever the setting was before, that setting is now being erased and changed to disabled. That's the default setting. And so now when you go back and do star pound 21 pound again, it should say disabled for all of them if they didn't before. So that's step one. Another place you can check for phone tapping is in the settings. Go to the main settings page, go to the very bottom, tap on apps. Then tap on P, or scroll down to the P section and tap on phone. Scroll down until we get to call forwarding. If this is turned on, your phone calls are being forwarded to someplace else. Mine's turned off, and if you turn it on, tap on forwarding to, this will have a phone number in it that will display, and that's what the calls are forwarded to. These calls would then not ring on your phone, they'd be directly forwarded to someplace else. So you probably notice if this was turned on, because you wouldn't be getting any calls anymore. But if this is on and you don't want it on, definitely turn it off. And while we're at it, there's a similar setting for messages. So if we go back to our apps list and then tap on M, or scroll down, or back up, I should say, to M, tap on messages, and then scroll down and you'll find an option somewhere around here. There it is, text message forwarding, one device. So this is going to my Mac. And this is one of our iPads, so I can turn that on, and then the message forwarding goes to the iPad as well. And this just syncs up your message conversations. But if there's a device on here that you don't recognize, they could be listening in on your conversations without you knowing it. So definitely come in here and turn off any devices that you don't want to have your messages synced to. And if you got any value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then this video here shows you how your phone tracks you. So after you've made sure no one's tapping your phone, there's other ways that Apple itself is tracking your location through your phone. And this shows you, I believe, 8 different settings to turn off to make sure it's not tracking you. So check out that video and I'll see you there.